For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Run as Administrator not working on Windows 10 or 11. First, try restarting your computer. Often, this simple step resolves temporary issues. Next, ensure you have an administrator account by checking your account type in Settings, then select Accounts. If that's not the issue, adjust your user account control settings. Go to Control Panel, then go to User Accounts. Next, change User Account Control Settings and set it to the default level. Then restart your PC. If the problem persists, clean up your context menu. Open the registry editor by typing this and then run command. Navigate to this, then go to the asterisk folder, then shellx. Next, click the context menu handlers and delete any suspicious entries. After that, restart your PC and that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.